natural understanding of relationships, and a commitment to doing the best for people. As we became best friends and you demonstrated these qualities day in and day out, I fell in love with you. You were relentless in the way you cared for your children, your family, your friends, your co-workers, the church, and above all, my son and I. So as time went on and we became a part of each other, your feelings became my feelings, your sorrows became my sorrows, your joys became my joys, your cares became my cares. My son became your son, and your children became my children.
Randall, you came into my life unexpectedly, and today I stand here in awe and gratitude of God's hand in our lives as I take yours in marriage. From the first day we met, I felt an authentic friendship bond. Today I can say without a doubt I'm marrying my best friend, whom I'm insanely attracted to. I've never in my adult life felt so safe, protected, loved, and cared for as I do now with you. This is a testament to the amazing man you are. Thank you for seeing my value and always treating me with respect. I promise to always love Carson as my own, and to do whatever I can to support you in parenting him. I will be forever faithful to you, and try my best not to take you or the love we share for granted. I promise to do what I can to preserve the friendship, passion, and trust in our relationship, and to laugh with you every day.
You may kiss your bride.
Woohoo!